What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Want to talk to you about why Hood is up after hours. Hood is absolutely going crazy right now. Well, if you call that crazy, you can see the candles right here. Going for it. Moon status. Now, it's up on the news that they have the Robinhood Gold credit card, and it actually, right now, looks amazing. So 3% cash back on all categories exclusively for Gold members. So if you sign up here to be a Gold member, Gold is what gives you access to margin, instant funds, all of their perks that they have. It costs $7 a month. Well worth it if you are a trader. If you ever wanted to buy crypto, there's no fees there. It's the no commission trading app. Trading, investing, you have access to everything. They're even bringing futures on, which is gonna be amazing. But for the crypto people out there, I've had people. When I sell stuff on Facebook, person to person, they can pay me using this. So they can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum. They can send it to me just like you would send me something through PayPal. So it's not just trading currency and then never actually having it. It actually makes crypto useful, which I think a lot of people I know actually really like that feature. But 3% cash back on all categories. No annual fee, no foreign transaction fees. 5% cash back on travel when you book through the Robinhood travel portal. Take control of virtual cards. Pay with disposable card numbers for private sending. That's a feature I think a lot of cards have now. Use it with the whole family. So you can add card holders of any age, set limits, track their spending, and build everyone's credit. So if you wanted your kid to have a credit card and get started on that, since this world revolves around credit, it's your real identity, not your Facebook identity. All of this sounds good. So I'm going to get it. I'm already on the wait list. Here's where the bribe comes in, guys. Earn a limited edition solid gold card by referring 10 friends to Robinhood Gold. So if you do use my link in the description, the first 10, whoever 10 does this, I will PayPal you. Yeah, so Robinhood Gold, $7 a month. I'll actually pay for your first 2 months. I'll PayPal you $14 to use my Robinhood link. That should be legal. Anyway, it's a trading app. You should know all the risks. You don't have to use it. You should have to use Robinhood Gold. That's how bad I want the card. I'm just going to cover those fees. So if you use the link and you download Robinhood, let me know. I'm going to post it in the description. But let's talk about the stock. Because this is also in the growth count. Now, the growth count has a call sold against it. And I got to say right now, on the back of this news, and you'll get alerted. So if you're in my mentorship group or you follow the Patreon, there will be an alert tomorrow. There will be a Robinhood alert. I can assure you that. Couple minutes after the bell. What I think right now, all things considered, we'll probably buy that call back to close it. So that'll be the first loss we've actually taken. Now we collected some premium. We're going to buy it back to close, which obviously will be higher if this were to hold. If we give all of this up in the morning, then I'm not going to worry about it. We're just going to keep collecting our money on it. And again, every 100 shares you have of Robinhood or anything, we're selling calls against it. That's how we get weekly income. So as it stands right now, we collected our money on this, and it's shooting up. So we're going to have to buy it back to close a little bit higher. So that, again, will be our first L. Now, I might just buy it back flat out and just let the shares ride. If it looks like it's going to be a momentum ticker, we might be going for it. I don't know if it'll be worth it, but I might just we might just roll the strike up to maybe a 22 or a 23 and pay the difference. So it'll be a little bit less. We'll bump our strike up. But we'll have to... I'm gonna have to fiddle around with that in the morning. Market's gonna open at 8:30 for me. I'm gonna update it. Let the charts update and all that, and make that decision then. So if you're a part of that, just be on the lookout for that. Just know that will be going out. All right. The reason why I'm super bullish this and why I liked Robinhood in general was getting above this. So we were just melting down. And I thought if we got above this level, I think we're going for it. And this news just kicked it off. So typically when you see these lines here, you're thinking one standard deviation. I just didn't draw the bottom standard deviation. I talked about the top and the second. So this is one standard deviation. This is two. After hours, we're already just kind of vacuuming our way up to 2 standard deviations. Again, we'll need to see. But again, all good news. There's a lot of things with Robinhood. I actually really like it. If you're one of the people that just don't like it because of the whole GameStop thing, and you found out they do payment for order flow, I know Robinhood, you might think is the only one that does it. In fact, it's not how everybody gets paid. It's how a lot of brokers are. But Robinhood's actually, I still stand by. I think it's still a great app. Super easy to use, especially now that they're adding futures. Can't say that enough. There's tax advantages. There's a lot of advantages to trading futures. If you have futures and futures options, especially in the growth account, you will be learning that a lot because we will be taking full advantage of that. Right now, I think this could turn into a momentum ticker. We'll have to see how much the short interest is and let that update and see if they're kicking off any kind of squeeze here. But wanted to get this video out to you guys to talk about. That's why it's up after hours. And if you have Robinhood already and you're interested in that, just go to your news notifications. You'll see it on there, and you can just jump on the wait list. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up here. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Have a good one.